Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn to Thrive. I am Rasmi Sinha, your co-learner. Welcome to another episode of our series Smart English Patterns Without Fear. In episode 1, we learned how gerund can work as the subject and object of a sentence. In episode 2, we learned how infinitives can also work as subject and object. Today we are moving one step further. Actually, gerund and infinitive is one of the most confusing areas of English for learners. In this video, we will learn the most important speaking pattern, verbs followed by gerund ing form. Today's pattern is verb plus gerund base verb plus ing. I enjoy cooking for my family. I practice speaking English every day. I avoid wasting my mornings. I finish washing the dishes before lunch. Enjoy, practice, avoid, finish. All are verbs. Cooking, speaking, wasting, and washing all are gerund. Here, verbs are followed by gerund. Here, verbs can change according to the time and tense. But gerund is base form of verb plus ing. Okay, be careful about it. Verb. Many English verbs are naturally followed by an ing form. Instead of memorizing grammar rules, let's learn these verbs in meaningful groups. Today we will study them in 4 categories. First, preference verb. Second, thinking and talking verb. Third, starting and stopping verbs. Fourth, habit and attitude verbs. Gerund after preference verbs that show what we like, love, dislike, or prefer. Some common preference verbs are like, love, enjoy, prefer, dislike, hate. Look at this example. I like reading books. She loves cooking. They enjoy traveling. We prefer staying at home. He dislikes waiting in long queues. My son hates getting up early. Can you see the pattern? After these verbs, we often use an ing form. Okay? Daily life example. As a homemaker, I can say I enjoy learning English. I love spending time with my family. I prefer cooking at home. I dislike wasting food. These are natural English sentences that native speakers use every day. Gerund after thinking and talking verbs. These verbs are often connected with thinking, discussing, or considering idea. Example, consider, suggest, discuss, mention, imagine. Look at this sentence. I am considering joining an online course. She suggested watching a movie. We discussed buying a new car. He mentioned meeting you yesterday. Imagine living near the beach. Here, considering, suggested, discussed, mention, imagine. All are verbs. All are changing their base form according to the time and tense. Okay? And followed by gerund, joining, watching, buying, meeting, and living. Speaking practice. These patterns are very common in everyday conversation. I am considering starting a YouTube channel. My friend suggested learning English through stories. We discussed visiting Dubai next month. Imagine speaking English confidently with anyone. Our third category includes verbs related to beginning, continuing, or ending an activity. Okay, look at this verb: start, begin, continue, stop, finish, and quit. Examples: I started learning English. I started learning English 2 years ago. She began studying for the exam. Began studying. He continued working despite being tired. We finished cleaning the house. My uncle quit smoking. She stopped talking when the teacher entered. Daily life examples. I started recording a new video this morning. I finished preparing lunch. I continued practicing English. I stopped watching television and started reading. Fourth category is habit and attitude verbs. These verbs express habits, willingness, avoidance, continuation, or desire. Avoid, don't mind, keep, practice, feel like. Actually, these verbs tell us how we feel about an activity or how we deal with it in our daily lives. Examples: I avoid wasting time. I don't mind helping others. Keep practicing English. I practice speaking every day. I feel like watching a movie. Avoid wasting, don't mind helping, keep practicing, practice speaking, feel like watching. Got it? So today we learned 4 useful patterns: preference verbs, thinking and talking verbs, starting and stopping verbs, habit and attitude verbs, which are followed by gerund noun. Instead of memorizing grammar rules, try remember complete patterns. Okay? One challenge for you. Make one sentence with these different verbs like suggest, start, avoid, consider, love, hate, practice. But careful here. We are learning verbs followed by gerund. So you follow verb plus base verb plus ing form. Write your answer in the comment section. I would love to read them. Okay? I have included something new for you, a conversation. This conversation will help you understand how these patterns are used in real life situations. Pause the video and read it carefully. That's all for today's lesson. I hope this pattern helps you speak English more naturally and confidently. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. Remember, English is not about fear, it's about patterns and practice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. That's all